guys, Harshar from Shout Me Loud, and today I am very happy. I'm happy because I found one plugin which is going to be very useful for me and for you as well. So this plugin will help you to improve your blog, especially for those who have blog older than a year. This plugin is going to be very useful. And for those who have a tech blog or news blog who write a lot of content, the plugin which I am going to mention is going to improve your overall user experience and search engine ranking. So the plugin which I'm talking about is WP Link Status Pro, and let me give you a quick overview of what this plugin can do. So this plugin searches for all the links on your blog, and sometimes what happens, like when we have an old blog, many of our old links are broken, those websites are down or those websites are deleted. And you need to know one thing, that broken links are broken road for the search engine crawler, and it's bad for your SEO. An active site or any live site should not have any broken links or have minimal broken links. Now, how do you fix that? Now, this is the plugin that is going to help you. But first, let me give you an alternate option. So I've been using this plugin called Broken Link Checker for a while, but this plugin is very old. It got like about 4 lakh downloads, and I have talked about this plugin in one of my earlier videos as well. It's a good plugin, and if you don't want to spend money, you can try this plugin. But the other plugin, WP Link Status, this one seems to be pretty good, and I just downloaded this plugin, tried on one of my blog, and I'm quite impressed with the speed, and most important, my website is not going down. One of the major problem and with the Broken Link Checker, this plugin is the old one. Your website or your web hosting might go down because it consumes a lot of resources, which is pretty bad. But with the WP Link Status Pro, we can do the same thing and get more features. But the only downside is it's a paid plugin. It costed me about $17. Let me give you an overview of this plugin, how this works and how it will help you. Number one, you install this plugin, and after installing this plugin, you have settings over here. Now click on settings, and this is what you will get. So now this is my default setting, and I think like default setting is good enough to get started with. You can specify the connection timeout and all those things. Maybe I think I would increase this to 25 seconds and click on save settings. So these are the settings that you can configure. In most of the cases, you are good to leave it like that. What really interesting here is this URL tool, which let you nofollow any website link. So let's say you have linked out to few websites and you want to now make those links nofollow. You write the domain name here, and that's it. Click on execute test process. That's it. If it will found any new entries, it will mark it as nofollow. So you need to click on new scan to configure a scan. You can give it a name. So let's give it a name, complete checker. You can define what all you want to check, links and images. I would suggest select both, and you can define like what should be the order of crawling. Well, I think it's better to start from oldest content first, because most of the time your older content will have broken links. And you can enable or disable emails. I usually disable the emails because I would like to keep my email inbox clean. You can also select the post type, which is very useful, especially for those who are using custom post type. And that's it. Now you should also scan your comment links. And this is what I've seen with my main blog, Shout Me Loud. Most of the time the comments link are broken, or they are redirected to some spam website, and it definitely hurt your overall blog ranking. So you need to take care of all this thing. And then you have content filter. In this case, I'm not gonna touch this. Now this is where it gets very interesting. So you can track the link by status. Let's say if you just want to track 404 error and you don't want to track redirected again, you just need to enable this 400 errors, or you can manually enable few of the 400 error status error that you want to check. And this is very useful because you would be learning something new. And if you're planning to work online for a longer period, and which I think you are, you should learn all these things. It's not like something that you need to remember. You see it and you would know next time. You would know, okay, 404 error is broken, not found link. And here you can see like what exactly error code means. So 404 is something that you must have seen multiple times. That is when a page is not found. 301 is redirection, which is again very useful. But in this case, let's just select everything, then click on advanced, and you can save scan changes. So now here you can save and run the scan or just save the changes. And you can go to scan over here. So here you will see this is the scan that we just created, and this is the scan that I've created before that. I'll show you the result from that, so that would help us to save time. So click on show results, and here it goes. Like, you click on request error. This will show you all the links on your blog which are broken. So in my case, I have these 3 links I've already unlinked, and now I'm going to do the same for these 3 links. Just in case, if you don't want to use this, you want to cross verify, you can always click on link from here. This will open the post in edit mode, and you can copy the anchor text here. Just search for the anchor text, and you can see, like, okay, this link is broken. So and this is what you need to do. Like, once you have selected those links, you need to click on unlink. All right, and everything happens in second now. This is what I like about this plugin, though the scan might take a lot of time depending upon how big your blog is. But this kind of thing you should do once in a month, and it will help you to keep your blog clean. Now here, let me show you what happened to this link. So here you can see this is already linked. Now let's refresh this page, and let's see. So the link is gone. Tada! So like this, you can use it on any number of blogs that you have. This is something that you should always do. Another thing that you can do is click on 300 redirection. One thing which you would know, that most of the websites are now moving from HTTP to HTTPS now. So that actually take one redirection. What you can do, you can fix that with single click. So here we go. We select those links. You can see this is the link on my blog post, and this is the new URL. So it's basically 301 redirection. Now, if you do this or don't do this, it won't make a lot of difference, but I would personally suggest that you should do it, since using this plugin, it hardly takes few minutes to redirect all your old links. I think you should definitely do that. And also you should keep in mind, like, in some time, you see a link is redirected to some other domain name. So you should always check what is that new URL. Is that something related, or something? Sometime spammer buys an old domain and they redirect it to spam website for money or for anything, spreading malware. So you need to take care of all this thing. And let's just quickly fix this. And we need to select option called apply redirection. Click on set redirection. And let's see what happens. Perfect. All those links are modified. Even if you disable the plugin in future, it won't affect your blog. Whatever the changes that you are making, it's all permanent, and it's pretty good. So this is what this plugin can do. It can do a lot more thing. I would let you explore everything of your own. The only thing which I suggest when you install this plugin for the first time, set up the scan and let the scan complete its job. Maybe what I would suggest, run the scan in the night, and next day see the result. I'm gonna do this with all my blog, and for now you can download this plugin from Code Canyon. It's a pretty popular website to download WordPress related stuff and many other stuff. I've given the link in the description, and if you have any other question regarding this plugin or regarding broken link, do let me know. And before I go, if you like this video, do hit like, do subscribe to my channel. It definitely encourages me to do more of these videos. Thank you for watching. This is Harsh. Bye bye.